got 1 day out of it. It's not missing constant misfire, but when she drives up hills, she is getting a misfire when she drives up hills. Curious what the other ones look like. Yeah. It's all wet again. That's the one I cleaned off. It looks better than it did yesterday, but it's still.
Is that going to happen to the new stuff?
Yeah, probably. And that one's pretty hard to film. Because I had them out, because I got the copper anti-seize on them. And, I mean, that one's not bad. I might actually just replace the one spark plug. And then I'll have 4. Yeah, this one looks good too. Or, what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace all 4 of them, but I'm going to keep these for a spare. I did get NGKs. I'm not exactly sure what number I got. They were $16 each. Oh, this one looks like shit. Not nearly as bad as 4 looked. But I'm going to keep these 2 as spares. And wonder if there's a way that I can find a heat range higher. I thought that was a carbon track, but it's not. If I can go with a heat range higher, really, you need a new car. This is these. What's the number here? Is STL ZK R7E. Yeah, they're different as far as that, but according to Rock Auto, these are the cat's pajamas. These ones. Okay, let's get these started. Honestly, normally I would torque it with a torque wrench, but not really going to do that. I'm just going to do it by feel, like I did for the past 30 years. I've never had a problem. They're all dry down there. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to torque these all. I want to use 2 hands to do it because I don't want to side load the plugs. So I'm going to put these down for a second here. You just turn it till you feel the crush sleeve or the crush washer go, and then once it's tight, snug it up a little bit. There's no need to torque it to 100 foot-pounds or anything like that. You just make sure you get all the crush out of it, and then you go a little bit more. These all look good. This one I saw the other day. It looked like something was on the inside there. Actually, it doesn't look that bad today. You can still see a little something there. It's hard to pick up on camera. I'm gonna go back down to my van and get some dielectric grease. This is the one that it was on. It's nice and wet. When I get some free time, I don't see no carbon tracking or nothing. At least I don't think I do. I'm not even filming it. When I get some free time, I'm going to put a pulse sensor or a transducer on the crankcase and see if I can see any excessive blow-by. Last time I did it, it was basically, they were pretty even all across the board. With that, I wiped away. So I really wasn't expecting this to fix it. I just wanted to prove the concept of that plug was just messed up. And it was pretty wet, which I don't like the fact that it's that wet. It is misfiring, but it's not as... None of these other ones are wet, except for number 1. And that's not even wet. It's just it just looks worse than the other ones. You got carbon down in there inside there, just like this one. I wasn't able to get it all out. You can still see it all in there. And these ones are clear. You can see the porcelain all the way down. So I'm going to keep those as spares just in case. And this is done. I'll just tighten them down. All I'm going to do for the number 4 is just put a little dielectric grease on it. I don't think that's carbon tracking on that one spot, but I might have some dielectric grease in here. I don't know. Oh, I do. Sweet. I don't have to walk my lazy butt down to my van down there. I can just do it right here. Yeah. Nice and gross. Will it work? Who knows? But usually if I see something like that, I would probably recommend a coil, but this is my car. It's always my cars. Where is it? Right there. This is a super easy tune-up. You ever get to do them. This guy here, put that down. Something was eating at it a couple of years ago. I didn't find no nests or nothing. I did find a bunch of debris. There's still some down there, but I cleaned most of it off when I did the valve cover. I did the valve covered PCV. What else did I do? Valve covered PCV. I could have sworn I did the plugs too. It was definitely leaking in the back there. I used OEM gaskets, and to be honest, I don't think it made a difference because I think it's still seeping. But I'll put this stuff away and take this for a road test. I Got it running. I don't feel no misfire right now. I didn't feel it. I didn't start it up to feel it. My wife said it was misfiring. Lights on, same code. I believe her. I just want to take it for a quick road test. Come on there. I just got new glasses and my depth perception is a little better. Frame code search. Clear fault code. Yeah, it's clear. Just so you don't have to look at the light. Data stream. All I care about are misfires. Where are they? Did I pass it already? Oh, here it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, come on, man. These are catalyst damaging, and the rest, the other 4. Come on. Are relevant. I think relevant ones are like it detects a misfire, but it's not catalyst damaging or whatever. So I'll put these on and yeah, we'll graph it. Okay, where's it all? I don't like that. Just going to go back to this one so I can see which cylinder. You know what? I'm going to graph it because that way I can get all of them on here. Yeah, there's some kind of noise in the back there. It's a shame because this thing actually runs really good. It's been, besides the oil consumption, this thing's been great to us. Never thought I would say anything good about a Kia, but my wife babies this thing. I mean, she's very conservative when she drives. She's not aggressive whatsoever. And with this thing burning the oil the way it does, I'm assuming that it never gets any kind of like full throttle action. And under OBD2, this video is way too long. What does it say? Readiness 7 complete, not 1. Okay, so that's probably evap. We got here misfire is ready. Okay, ready. Evap not ready. It's always evap. So that's good. So it passed the tests. What's this? This is ECM complete. Misfire complete. Not complete evap. All right. I have mode 6. Where is mode 6? Okay. Everything is okay. Now my misfires are okay. Well, that's it. Oh, shut up. That's it. I guess see if we get more than a day out of it.